This video, I'm going to show you how you can add or install Outlook calendar app in Slack Workspace. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Slack Workspace and then head down here to add apps. From add apps, you'll see recommended apps here, as well as you can search for any app using the search function here. So I'll go ahead and look under recommended apps, and you can see we have Outlook calendar is available. To install it, just go ahead and click on install, and this will go ahead and open a new tab. From here, go ahead and click on add to Slack. Then go ahead and allow. Then you need to go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account to be able to go to the next step and install your app. So that's how you can install Outlook calendar in your Slack Workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.